The noise. Outing. Project. Hypnohollywood. Car trip. Hang on to your ear and listen right here. I'm going to tell you something that'll burn your ear. A hip hop hat.
Okay. Eat me.
This poem comes from Smaps with Wonderful Pictures by Wonderful Pictures, published by Wonderful Pictures.
Ultra HD TV.
I wonder if I used to laugh.
Oh, Michael, there's something else. There's something nice. There's some chocolate cake left over from yesterday. And she says, "What's the matter? You usually jump at the idea of having chocolate cake." Oh, it's not gluten-free, is it? And Mum said, "Oh." And she went over to the cupboard. Yeah, there it is! A few minutes later, my dad comes in. He breezes in and he says, "Hi, everybody. Anybody hi today?" And we go, She said, "Oh, come on, something must have happened." And we go, no, the sky's still blue. He says, "Turn the sky red."
You remember it and remember it and remember it.
Are they still asleep? Yes. Okay. When you're born, your folks think you're born. They scream, "It's a baby!" It's amazing!
Oh, amazing. Enter my nose, and my chin, and my two front teeth. Well, your teeth will probably fall out, you know.
Dad, look at the peaches! The peaches!
Never mind the peaches! Never mind the peaches!
Look at the peaches! Look at the peaches! Look at the peaches! Look at the peaches! Look at the peaches! Look at the peaches! Look at the peaches! Look at the peaches! Look at the peaches! 12-foot ditch! 12-foot ditch! Spinning! Midair! Spinning! Midair!
I'm telling you, that was a puzzle to me. I shouted out, "How'd you know I'm a he? Maybe I'm non-binary." Doctor shouted, "Good Lord, he can die." I popped out my head, said, "Now watch me fly." I juked and jived around that room, balam bam boola, balam da diddy boola, a hip hop hat. I'm giving you all a piece of music. I swam the English Channel, onano, fish tank.
You